I want to say this, and I'm very, very serious to say this. I stopped going to church. I'm a Christian, but I stopped going to church. Does not mean I don't believe in God. My reasons are very simple. For over 20 to 30 years now, Nigeria have been under siege by Fulani killer group. They have been under siege by Fulani killer group. Go to Plateau, people are being killed like chicken. Go to Benue, they are murdered in numbers. Go to Akure, go to Kwara, go to everywhere in Yoruba land. Cold-blooded killers are moving everywhere. Go to the east, go to the south. They are killing people without any remorse. Fulani henchmen, Fulani killer groups, Fulani terrorists, just because of their agenda of Islamization of Nigeria. Adeboye from Yoruba extraction, Oyedepo, Kumuyi, all of them, they are watching. Every day they are watching. Why I keep talking about Adeboye? Adeboye supported Tinubu regime, even though we knew how he came in. Oyedepo, all of them, they are Yorubas. People are killed in numbers. Christians, the Emir of Sokoto, the Sultan of Sokoto, the Muslims, the Imams, the Muslim Brotherhood from other countries, they are supporting this killing because the killer groups on a daily basis receive ammunitions, guns, bullets of different kinds, assault rifle, killing people in scores. No one is talking. Nobody is doing anything. All the pastors, even the Catholic kingdom, the Anglican, the Pentecostal, the Methodist, the so-called all the religion in Nigeria, they keep mute. They don't speak against it or do something about it. All they do on a daily basis is to come and bury the dead and collect brown envelope and go home scot-free. While people are being killed in their farms and in their homes. What is the essence of going to church? If my fellow brethren cannot save the lives of mine and my families, someone in America is even the one campaigning for the Christians in Nigeria. Why the likes of Adeboye, Oyedepo, Chris Oyakilome, Suleiman, name all of them. They are only interested in tithe, seed, offerings, going to heaven and going to hell. Those are the nonsense in their lips every day. How many was killed in Benue a few days ago? How many was killed in Plateau some few weeks ago? How many was killed in today? People died in thousands, in numbers. Every day we are talking. I stopped going to church. This is one of the reasons that made me to stop going to church. If I want to worship my God, I worship my God from my home, from my room, from my house. Because going to that church does not give me any, it doesn't give me any understanding or even believing in what those people are going to tell me. If you're a Christian and you're watching me, please and please, if it is possible for you, go to the comment section and give me the reason why I should be going to church. Just give me one reason. Every day we keep saying, God will fight for you. God will fight for you. God does not fight for anyone. David in the Bible, according to the Bible you are in, he went to war. Moses, all of them, you can name them, they all went to war. They all went to war. The only thing they would do, they pray to God to lead them successfully. But they went to war. Christians sit in Nigeria in their comfort home and pray, God will fight for us. God will do this for us. God will do no shit for anybody. Nigeria is doomed. Mostly Nigerian Christians. Until you guys rise up to say enough is enough, you keep Bible aside and take something to forge ahead and do what is needed, you shall know no peace. The imams, they are supporting the killer groups. They are not being touched. The Muslim Brotherhood, they are supporting them. The Sultan of Sokoto, all the sultans, all the emirs, all the Muslim Brotherhood, all of them, they don't complain. They don't talk about it. The Christians, they don't talk about it. They are being killed in numbers on a daily basis. When you go to one corner, you see some head out, you see some legs, you see parts of the body being separated from the body on a daily basis. What are Deboye and the Oyedepo and the rest of them are talking nonsense on a daily basis? I bless you. I bless you. You bless stupid idiots that don't know that they have to go to work. There is no work. How are you blessing people? Give them money. That is the blessing, not taken from them. The other day, Oyedepo, is it Adeboye, said 10 people should give him 1 billion. 100 people should give 100 million. He was calling people out. All the money people have given to you, what have you done with it? While your members are being murdered in their homes. That is why I'm calling your name. You keep extracting and extorting money from people and you guys don't even speak. Adeboye, I am talking to you. You cannot come out and I mean, it is, I don't know how to talk to you guys. Seriously, you are asking for money while Fulani herdsmen are killing people and you people don't talk about it. You have a lot of members. Fortify them and equip them to challenge those Fulani herdsmen. How many are they? The whole Fulani in the whole world, are they up to 5 million? No. And every day you talk about tithe, talk about nonsense, going to heaven, you drink tea with God. God will stop snow for you. Who are you? Is God controlling snow? Is God controlling weather? You are telling people who are living in the same village with you, people who don't make use of their brain, those are the people you are talking about. People are being killed by these animals. Make a move. You guys can do something. You refuse to do something. Every day, what you people do is to go and bury the dead. Go and bury the dead and collect money. That is what you people are doing. And people are dying. The idiots you people live in power, the idiots complete, all of them from what do they call themselves? Local government chairman or whatever to the president. They are all stupid and idiots, all of them. If we talk, you say that we are abusing people. Why can't you abuse these animals when they know what to do and they refuse to do it because you want to become a governor or you want to become a president? They ignore people being killed. You want to become a local government chairman, then you watch people die. Because if you go and talk about it, you will not become a local government chairman. You will not become governor. That is the reason why most of you are keeping quiet. You come and tell me that you are Deboye, you are Oyedepo, you are Christ Oyakhilome, you are Suleiman. You are asking people to come and donate money to your church so that you can build from Lagos to Benin. Only you. People will come and contribute money for you. You people, time is coming. Time is coming. All those buildings you are putting up will be brought down. All of them. Animals.